So, welcome to Semajical reviews. Yeah, me too. Shut up, dumbass. I'm trying to do a review. Where it's like time to review an episode Beavis and Butt-head. Yeah, me too. Shut up, dumbass. And the episode is called versus the Vending Machine. Yeah, me too. Damn it, boy, what in the hell kind of review approach is that? Shut up, asswipe! So, in this episode, me and Beavis, try to buy a packet of chips. And there's, sour cream and salsa pork rinds. And the vending machine, stole our money. And so, yeah, me too. Shut up, dumbass. I'm trying to do this review. And so, we complain and try to get more money to buy more stuff. And Beavis and Butthead kind of yeah, leaves me in charge of the vending machine while he tries to haggle money out of an elderly woman. Me too. Shut up, dumbass. No way, asswipe. You can't hog all this review a spotlight. Damn it, boy. What in the hell do you think you're doing? I get $1 from an old lady when all I needed was 60 cents. I buy some nachos and they rule. And you totally left me there, butthead. Shut up, dumbass. I'm trying to do this review, Damn it, boy. What in the hell's wrong with you? You're leaving your friend out in the cold while you're stuffing your face with those nachos? Anderson, get out of this review. Well, I'm the store clerk that he buys the nachos from. And yeah, boy, yeah, what the hell were you thinking leaving your friend out in the cold like that? Oh, shut up, dumbass. So, my opinion of this episode is it rules, dude. And so, if you enjoyed this video, please comment, boy, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching. And have us a magical time, damn it!